From expired fire extinguishers piled high in recycling yards to valuable raw materials. Through advanced cleaning, melting, and precision manufacturing, old fire extinguishers are reborn as safe, reliable protection. In the simulator, monitor feed rates to prevent overloads. Adjusting speed now. Good. Now observe the pressure gauge.
Receiving recycled units for sorting. Scan complete, next unit.
All right, these new models go right here on the mid shelf. Easy access for customers with the safety display nearby. This feedback from users and safety officers shows real improvements.
The data highlights a 15%.
Exactly. Continuous innovation in safer and more efficient recycling methods. New technology for a sustainable future.
Team, we've hit 74 million recycled fire extinguishers! This is a huge milestone for sustainability. Moving to Bay 3. Pallet secured, ready. Scan confirmed, box 456. Receiving the recycled units now, distributing them on the line. Scan a beep, confirms distribution.
Mounting the bracket now, securing the extinguisher. It's locked in. Inspection passed, fully compliant. Securely mounted and checked.
Good. Now I feel safe.
Functional fire extinguishers are your first line of defense. Check the pressure gauge. The needle must be in the green. We're testing a new process to recover and repurpose these materials. This innovation allows near total material recovery.
We recognize your responsible recycling practices. This is a global achievement in fire safety.